If you've ever felt stuck in your faith or dry spiritually, this is not an indication that you're doing anything wrong or that you're failing. It's a sign that something inside has shifted and that the old tools aren't working anymore. You're ready to go deeper. You need new tools to take this expanded journey. And I'm going to talk a little bit today about getting unstuck. If you're ready to move forward and take that next step, and you're serious about the journey, I've created the unboxing session. This is a 90-minute conversation where we address exactly this situation. Most likely, the reason you're feeling stuck is not because you're doing anything wrong. You're following a framework that you've been given. Sometimes we get sidetracked and don't follow the framework, but if you've been following that and things still seem a little off, there's another reason. It's like if you have bought a new house and you take your old house key and insert it into the lock and turn it, and the door doesn't open. Obviously, you understand what's going on here. You understand that the old key doesn't work in the new door. And spiritually speaking, that's what's going on here. You're using an old framework, or the framework that you are familiar with, but you're needing to go to a new place. You need a new map to get to where you're going. And when you're feeling stuck or just a little off, or you have a knowing inside that there's more that you're looking for, and it's not that you're leaving your faith. It's not that you're doing anything incorrectly. It's a good thing. You're ready to go deeper. A shift is happening, and you need new tools. You need a new key. And that's all I'm talking about. So part of this new key, this new tool, a new framework, is that instead of pushing forward and adding more to your plate or exuding more effort to get a result, because that's often the way we think. We see that something needs to be accomplished and we just dig in deeper, dig our heels in, push harder, put forth more effort to try to get past the finish line. But in this situation, that doesn't work. You're not going to fix it by trying harder. You're not going to fix it by adding more things to your plate, by reading scripture more, by praying harder, by spending more time going through the motions, even spending more time with people of faith can be a hindrance because it's just taking up more of your energy. Doing that is not bad. Doing that is not wrong. Doing that can actually help you grow. But if it's leading you to where you're exhausted or moving beyond your capacity, then it's time to step back for just a moment and examine your framework and examine the tools you're using. It's time to get a hold of this and make an intentional decision to realign your activities. There's a verse in Psalms that says, "Be still and know that I am God." And oftentimes, instead of being still, we create a flurry of activity because we feel like that's going to push us to where we need to go. I'm talking about getting honest and quiet enough to unbox what's already inside and see where God is nudging you, and to repackage it into a new, unique roadmap that matches your unique blueprint of how God has designed you. So that instead of staying on a plateau or remaining stuck or being in this place of spiritual dryness or whatever flavor of that you're experiencing right now in your faith, so that you can move beyond that into the deeper level where you're wanting to go. I'm inviting you, instead of putting yourself in that situation of pushing harder, to take a step back, to sit down with me and have a 90-minute conversation, to look at the framework you're in and the tools you're using, to unbox them, as it were, and examine them and see what's working and what's not, and look at things that are potentially on the horizon that God has been nudging you towards, but you haven't been able to exactly hear because of the extra effort you've been putting in and trying harder. So I invite you to click the link below and schedule an unboxing session, and let's see where your journey takes you next. Go steady.